Good morning, guys. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Happy Friday. Gonna be going over the Discord today. Gonna be also doing live trading as normal, but expecting much more people in here today because a lot of people been requesting for this, so it will be done. All right, in 9 minutes. Wait for more people. Get the questions and tickers in as well. Also, get questions about the Discord if you're interested in the Discord. If you're not, you don't have to be here. It's okay. You can still join because I will be doing the live session as well afterwards. But if you are willing to ask any questions, feel free to go ahead. Any question you don't understand, what's the difference between Twitter and Discord and so on. All right, I'll remind you guys in a few minutes as well, just to put some more questions in. LITM's making everyone serious money on both or in both Discord and on Twitter. Well done to everyone. Well done to everyone who's in LITM. You are making a lot of money. Well done, well done, well done. See you guys in a bit. Good morning, guys. To those who have just joined, we're going to start in 5 minutes. I will be going over the Discord today, so if you have any questions regarding that, if you're interested in joining, or if you have just general questions about it, feel free to ask and I will get to them throughout the stream. All right, 5 minutes till we get started. Good morning, guys. We're gonna start in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. All right, what up, everybody? Hello, 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 hello. We'll do some charting for like 10 minutes or so, and then we will get into the Discord and everything about that. So for now, we will just go over charts as usual, and then 10-15 minutes, then we'll go over the rest. All right, so get the questions in and all that stuff. Yes. Let me change my screen around. Cool. Everybody can see it. Yes. Happy Friday. What up, Reynaldo? What up, Fig? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up, Scott? What up, Cody? ALLUR. Whoa. Sorry. Oh, ALU. ALLUR or ALUR? I'm assuming you mean ALUR. ALUR, I would wait for an entry above VWAP. Right now, I would not take the trade. So, yeah, we'll just wait for the downtrend break. ALUR. IBO, what's happening with IBO? Nothing unless VWAP. Not interested on this unless it closes above VWAP. I do not trade stocks under VWAP. Waste of time. For those who have just joined, I will be going over the Discord in about 10 minutes or so once we get more people in here. Because I've just sent out the link. So about 10-15 minutes, we will then have a look and go through the Discord. All right, this is for people who are willing to join, or sorry, who want to join or have any questions about it. Please post any questions you have about the Discord. You can ask what's inside there, what's different to that in Twitter, what do we have in there, all those things, which I will be going over, but ask the questions so you can find out and I will answer them for you. You will see what's inside the Discord. Everything will be there, right? At this point, which is better? So the way to do it is make it easy for yourself. GCTK below VWAP, right? Next one, LITM. You tell me. Should be easy, right? I don't need to give you the answer for that. Should know that one, Scott. Should be easy. Good morning. What up, Mark? Mark just joined the Discord today. Cool, was thinking the same. Nice. Okay, we have APDN. I'm not interested in APDN, to be honest with you. This is trash, and I was mentioning it earlier. I said there's nothing unless 350. Riskier entries are above purple line, so that is what I'll do. So this is APDN current setup, right? So from the current setup, you have purple line equals higher risk. Yellow line equals lower risk. Why? Because here you have break above here, then you have resistance here, here, here. Break above here, you have clean range to the upside. That's the difference. People are going to say, but you can enter here because you can get earlier entry. Yes, you can, but it can also reject here and reject here. Here, there's no rejection until probably around $4. ENOR. For those who have just joined, I will be repeating it every like 5 minutes or so. We will start going over the Discord in about 5 or 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes, once we get more people in here. Make sure to have any questions that you have about the Discord, because I will be going over it. And the Discord then will be shut on on Monday. It will be shut for 1 whole month. So there will not be any active link for anyone to join. ENOR. ENOR, nothing on this. I'm not too sure what you see on this. I don't have any prediction on this because there is low volume. Extremely difficult to trade something like this. I don't know. Oh, it's an ETF. So yeah, I'm not too sure. If I could say it, maybe uptrend, but very difficult. LITM is bullish, looks good. I like it a lot. How high is it going to go? I don't know. It's broken above here. 9.92 is your next resistance. 0.92 is your next resistance level. That is what I have. If it closes above here, it should continue to push to the upside to 0.92. Don't try and hold for that whole move, which is a 20% move. If you're in, aim for 5%, scale out and take profits when you are happy. PNBK needs to get above VWAP. Right now it's bearish and below VWAP. Volume is dying on this. I wouldn't touch it unless you get above VWAP. So use the indicator to advantage, because if you're going to trade it now, it's very high risk. Just wait for it. Wait for it. PNBK. Thank you, Tiger. No worries. RNAS, what's happening? RNAS. RNAS looking good. This is my prediction on this one. We have the 1 hour time frame. It broke above $1, retested it. Now it should continue to push up. We go the 4 hour now and mark off some key levels. So let's zoom out a bit. We can push it up a bit. I hate it when Weeble does this. It makes it so slow, so slow. I don't know why it does this on some charts. Some charts it zooms way in, so I have to take like 5 years to do this. So these are your next resistance points based on the 4 hour. These are the levels that I like to use. You can use whatever levels you see, but these are just the levels that I see. These are your LITM levels. LITM key levels. Well done, Nimit. Great job for getting that trade. Arnaz, what up? Totes, yo. Morning. What up, Connell? What up? What up? Wow, lots of people made money on LITM. That's fantastic to hear. Very happy to see that. Great job, everybody. TRNR, what's happening? It's just consolidating. The RNR is just consolidating. Yeah, TRNR, nothing right now. Nothing right now on this, unfortunately. So you can't really do anything when it's just ranging. PCK was a rug pull for me, lost my profits for the trade. GCTK, what's happening here? Yeah, nothing good here. This was bad. We took a here. This break here was nice. IBO, nothing unless there's a close above VWAP. So you have to wait till 376. This price will change since it is volume weighted. So when the price goes up, it will push up with it. For those who have just joined, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. I will be going over the Discord in exactly 10 minutes. All right. So stay in here. If you have any questions about the Discord, ask them and I will go over them once we get to the Discord. All right. This is mainly for people who want to join the Discord, what is in the Discord, how it's different from Twitter, because it's a huge extreme difference, right? So you will see that and I will show you that. And what you can expect in the Discord and all those things as well. So ask questions. Not one person has asked anything about the Discord, so I assume everybody is going to be joining, because as I mentioned, on Sunday or Monday the Discord will be closed and we will not be taking any more spots. So up to you if you want to choose to join before then as well. Right, how often? Okay, IBO NAK looked like a pump and dump. NAK, you can wait for entries above 80 cents. Right now, there's nothing going on. So I would just mark the high right here, because if it breaks that high, it should continue to go up. Right now, I don't really know what's happening here. It's really fell off. How often do you look at 1 minute? I don't use the 1 minute chart. Don't use it at all. I don't use it at all. You allowed to LITM yesterday in Discord too. I made profits. Oh yeah, I know. I saw it. Hassie messaged me when I was sleeping. That's so funny. So he messaged me because I gave it to you guys, I remember. But then obviously what happened was I went to sleep and I saw it ran, which was perfect. Yeah, it ran up in good profits. You guys hold it overnight. PSTV run is buying me another boat. PSTV, where is PS? PSTV ain't buying you a boat. Might be buying you something else. XHLD. What's happening with this thing? Sub top cent is not. XHLD is trying to move up. It's trying. I would wait for VWAP still on this for confirmation. So XHLD still needs to close above VWAP for entries. So that is it. Thank you, Tiger. Learned it from you. This is magic, if you remember. Ah, yes. Well done. I do remember. I hit 30% on PSTV. Damn. Nice job. XHLD is reversing. Learned so much from you. We love to hear it. Amazing. How do I join the Discord? This is the only link to Discord. I will be going over it in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes until I do go over the Discord. This is the link. It's the WAP link. You click on it. You can choose the 1 or 3 month tier. It's completely up to you. You don't have to join if you don't want to, but I'm doing this now because I have most of my Twitter followers. This is the best way I can reach out and show you guys what's in it. So if you want to know what's in it, just hold on for 5 minutes and I will show you everything that is there that you can expect, all the exciting stuff as well. Discord is closed for subscribers. No, if you're already in the Discord, you're fine. You guys are fine. You guys are locked in. It's for people who want to join. They will only have access to join until Monday. And then the Discord will be closed. Thanks. 4.5, option expiring. Oh, nice. Every time I scale the sword. Ah, nice. You only look 5 minutes. Yes, I only trade on the 5 minute. I only enter and trade based on the 5 minute time frame. It's the only time frame I use. Get those likes up. You are correct. Get those likes up. Still no one has asked any questions about the Discord. And no one has asked anything about the Discord. I know people don't care about it, but there are a handful that do. Okay. Rinse and repeat PSTV. Monster pullback. ALUR needs to close above here. IBIO, nothing. PMBK needs above VWAP. LITM, this is the easiest setup. I know there's one Discord member because they just messaged me and they said that they took the candlestick strategy right over here, which was fantastic. XHLD is looking all right. It's looking decent, RNAS is looking all right. It's looking good. GCTK, not looking good. Below VWAP, downtrend, pullback. It's only up 8% now. Not looking too great. RNAS is looking good. This is my prediction for it to go up. If you're in, use a stop loss. Okay, ENVX. ENVX, no volume, nothing on this, not too sure what you see. Entries can be above 825 right now. I just wouldn't take it. I don't really understand. Yeah, I don't understand why you would like this one at the moment. Maybe there's news coming. Wait for break above 825. About 825. Should have bought on as dip. What is candlestick strategy? It's in, if you're in the Discord, it's on your what portal, episode 5. It is episode 5. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me just change my screen. I'm going to try and get something up real quick so people can check some of it. Because a lot of questions about WAP, the courses. Here we go. Okay. We have 2. Right. Radio. Shit, has my screen been the same the whole time? Oh no, it just changed. You guys can see my screen charting, right? No, you can't. People are probably asking. There's a few, yeah, probably. Totes, Izzy needs to join Discord. Yeah, get in the Discord. Okay, cool. There we go. It's changed now. Cool. The one, oh, someone said they're having issues with the Discord. I did register for your Discord, but are you in it? If you're having issues, Shakufa, message me on Discord. Say hi from YouTube and just tell me what your issue is with it so I can help you. But if you're having issues, make sure to watch the intro video. It should be clear. You know, because in my opinion, if you watch that, it is much easier to understand how the Discord works. It explains everything you need to know about the Discord, how the alerts work, what channels mean what, and so on and so forth. Right, we're going to start in 1 minute. I'm going to go over the Discord in exactly 1 minute. Rightio, we have this. Get everybody in here. We have that. We're now live. We got everything up here. The ones who are indecisive of joining, just one piece. Marigo is joining late. Recovered my money in first half joining. It's more than alerts, it's discipline. Yeah, I mean, I'll be going over the alerts and that, how it works, because obviously you know now. So the videos on Discord are well worth the price of admission. Yeah, we see it. Okay, cool. Yeah, we see the double top in the chat. Okay, cool. Let me just go through these. Anything moving right now? And then we will go through it. ALUR is looking good. Needs to get above downtrend. IBO, nothing yet. PNBK, nothing. Yeah, nothing really worth entering at the moment. Nothing worth entering at the moment. Right, let's get started. Let's get started. This is the Discord. Right, just want to make sure everybody can see this. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, I'll just be on mute. I need to sort something out real quick. All right, cool. Cool. Okay, so in the Discord, this is what you have, right? Once you join, you get a DM from myself or Hasi saying welcome to the Discord, all right? And we will tell you to watch the intro video, right? This is what the message looked like. Mark, I'm going to just show your message with myself and you so you can see it. So here, okay, so it says welcome to the Discord. This is it. You simply click on this link and then you will have access to the intro video. Okay, the intro video. Right. So you even have it here on the WAP. Sorry, in the Discord. Okay. So the first thing you do is you go onto WAP like this. Okay. And you have the choice of choosing between the 1 or 3 month tier. Okay. This is completely optional. You can choose the 1 or 3 month. The only difference is that if you do the 3 month instead of the 1 month, it works out cheaper. That's the only difference. You don't get anything else, right? We do have a 1 year tier, but that is only for members who have been with us for 6 months and longer. So Right now, we only offer this, the 1 and 3 month tier. You guys can have a read of all of these reviews. Okay, I don't know how many we've got. I think we've got over 100 reviews. So you can have a look at that as well. All right. With that being said, now once you're in the Discord, okay, you choose which tier you want, 1 or 3 month tier. From there, you are able to claim your Discord access. Okay, the WAP portal like this. So you create your WAP account, you claim Discord access from here. Okay, from here you will then claim the Discord access and you will then have access to the Discord. Okay, this is what it will happen. You then will go onto this and you will click on the start here section and you will have the intro video here to watch. You need to watch this because this explains everything you need to know about the Discord. Okay, that means it shows you what every single one of these channels do mean in everything that we have here. Okay, it is all explained in this video. So any question you have, where are the alerts, where are the targets, how to read them, it's all in the intro video. Okay, now next step is also we have a trading journal for members. This is the trading journal. Highly recommend for people to watch this and follow it because this helps you gain consistency and this is what gets you the results, right? You need to track your results. Then if you have any other questions after that joining, you can DM myself or you can put questions and just click on the questions and you will then have questions answered to you throughout the day. All right. Then you can go through the risk management plan that we have, the day trading plan, how to read mine and Hassie's alerts. So for example, if you go into my alerts, you click here, I break down exactly how my alerts work, how to use them so you can understand, right? But it's very, very simple and easy to follow. And then here, this is where all our alerts are because everybody, I know how people are when they join the Discord. Where are the alerts? Where's the money? Da, 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 right? Hold back, sit back, relax, take your time, take 5 minutes out of your day, watch the intro video, understand where everything is in the Discord because it's a very different Discord to any other Discord you've been in. I am 100% certain of that. Okay. So once you do that, then you will know where the alerts are, where everything else is. So make sure to follow that. All right. So once you get that, now all the alerts are posted on the Pro Traders floor. Okay. This is the Pro Traders floor. We do post stuff during the day. However, when market opens, all the alerts are given here. Okay. So for example, this is LITM I gave yesterday for Discord members. I alerted it here. I told them that I wasn't taking this trade because I'm going to bed. But you can clearly see here that this is where I gave the entry at 0.57 and I don't even know where it's at, 0.8 plus or now already. So explain the reasoning there. And then LITM, yeah, this was the reasoning here for the members to get into. And then I just mentioned that watching plays, this is how the alerts look and so on. So for instance, my alerts are very simple and easy to follow. Okay, I mentioned here that I am taking win to 278 to 284. There's my first target. There's my stop loss. Mentioned they can still enter and so on and so forth. All right. And then also Hassie gave PSTV. All right. You can see full transparency. He stopped out on the first one. He got wicked out. And then the second one, he gave a 0.81 and it ran to 112 or something crazy, which was amazing. So yeah, you will also see this as well. So this is how the alerts work. We give you the entry price within this range. You enter within this range. We tell you the stop loss, all those things. And then these are just based on alerts. If you want to learn why we are getting into the trades and how we're trading and how we're entering the trades, this is on your WAP portal, which is here. Okay. With the tiers, with the WAP that you join, okay, included in the Discord, all the videos, right, are on your WAP portal. You have episode 1, which includes the psychology part of trading and risk management. Understanding that is first episode to watch. Don't need to know how to trade. Understand this part first, episode 1. Then we have episode 2, which is support and resistance. Episode 3, which is the falling wedge strategy that I use. That is explained in the Discord. And then I also have how to read candlesticks, how to understand candlesticks. Then number 5 is the candlestick strategy that everybody wants to know. Everybody in the Discord watches this. This is pretty much my go-to strategy. It's golden. It works very, very well. And I expect it to work for everybody. They follow the rules. All right. So this is where you have live trading sessions are uploaded each week. which I live trade every day in the Discord. Once that's done, I just upload them to here. Asi has a Discord a seminar uploading this week, and then I have how I trade pre-market as well coming up soon. All right, and then inclusive of this trading floor, this is where all the alerts are and everything. Okay, this is my current recap, right? These are my alerts. So I only took one trade yesterday, which was Wint 278 to 288. That was my target and stop loss. Here you can see I also do give swing trades as well, right? I give you the reasonings for it. So for instance, Nano is one, NNE. I give you the reasonings why we're taking this trade, what your entries and targets are, explain clearly what you need to do in this as well. I also have given daily recaps. I do this every single day in my trading. I've done it for the last 4 years. This is more transparency for new members or people who want to see everything. These are every single alert that I've taken ever in the Discord, and all the alerts are here. 100% accuracy, you can see it. The results are given. This week so far, I've given 0 red trades, right? So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Every single trade I've given this week has been green. Not like this every day. It's not like this every week, but I do this to show members and show them that if you know the strategy and learn it, this is the results that you can get. You can see I gave one trade yesterday, only one trade day before, 2 trades, 2 trades, 3 trades, 1 trade, 1 trade, 2 trades, 2 trades. You see, we're not here. We're not a robot service. We don't give 500 alerts a day. Okay. We focus on quality and exactly what we teach, right? That means we don't just enter random trades because someone posted something on Twitter. We teach you how we trade. Our strategy, for example, the candlestick strategy is most of the reasons why I enter the trade. I only found that set up once yesterday and I took the trade and I executed it. That's it. All right. There's a lot of other things that are inclusive of that, which you will learn in the Discord. So you can see a whole recap here, daily recap, all the weekly recaps. So last week, 40% only because I didn't trade much, right? Then you can see 83%, 57, 67, 40, 75, 60, 86. Everything is here. There's 4 years of results. So you can go all the way back to 2022 and see every single thing here. All right. I then also do trade breakdowns, at least a couple a week. So I've done ADTX, which was this week, and then I did RR as well. Whether they're red or green, it doesn't matter. I still give the breakdown so you can understand what my reasoning was and how I took the trade and so on. So you can see the trade breakdowns here. Everything is there as well. This is just how to read the. This is just how to read my alerts. So it says here how to use my alerts. I'll tell you that I'm watching a play. I'll tell you that I'm in the stock, how to take your profits and so on. You guys can go through that once you do join. And then we do have a bunch of educational stuff here that includes seminars, threads, flashcards, all that kind of stuff. And then we do also have setup examples for members, which is good so they can learn. So for example, if you'd want to understand falling wedges, we just have a bunch of falling wedges so people can see that. What does a bullish pennant look like? This is all just real examples of a bullish pennant and so on. Okay, so the alerts are given. We don't give 100 a day, right? My goal and the goal that we have in this Discord is to teach you guys to have the financial freedom that we do, to learn the skill that we do and have it, not to give you alerts and sit behind our screen all day. We are here to give you alerts here and there when we do see them, right? And we are active pretty much all day. But the main focus is to teach you, watch the seminars and show you that the strategy works and you can take the trades and learn and so on. Because I tell members, and I've tried to explain this to you guys yesterday as well on YouTube, and I said, since I've given 100% green on alerts, right, this week, in my opinion, everybody in the Discord should be green, correct? Why? Because I've given all green trades and alerts. People should get in and should be in it. Incorrect. That's not how it works. People are away. People aren't quick enough. They're busy with work. They miss the trade and so on. So they take other trades and they're red, right? That's just how it is. And that's why I say and I preach it. Alerts are rubbish, in my opinion. They're good here and there. Maybe if you want to make quick money, but if you actually want to learn the skill, this Discord is for you because I show you how to trade, how to actually make money in the market. All right. So that if you want to learn how to trade and if you want the alerts, maybe this Discord isn't really for you for the alerts. We do give alerts, like I said, maybe 6 maximum a day. But at the end of the day, right, in my opinion, if you want to learn how to trade actually properly, like a real trader, not one of this BS 100% a day, all of that. We're realistic. We aim for 1% on our account a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. That's it. It's realistic. It's easy to do it once you do achieve the skill. You're not going to get it every day, but it takes time. Okay. So focus on that, learn the strategy, put the time in, and I guarantee you that you will be able to easily make $100 a month and pay for it. I know people at different financial levels have. Some people, $1,000 is a lot for them. 100,000 isn't a lot. It's all relative. I understand that. For me, I cater for people who don't have much money, and I understand that. So I feel that I give you everything that you need to really understand it. So relative to your account size is what you do. People in the Discord don't really ask me or never ask me how much money I made today in that, because it doesn't matter, right? If I tell you I made $1 million today or $10 today, it doesn't matter. Okay, in my opinion, you need to learn how to trade, and that's the skill you want. That's what I'm giving you. Right? Doesn't matter how much money I make. It doesn't change how you're going to trade at all. You know what I mean? So let me just get can't subscribe. Yes, I can't subscribe to Discord. Wap.com. Can you please? I will have a look into that. But I recommend to use a VPN if you can. It's just a little bit complicated with me doing the whole subscriber for Twitter. I don't really know how to approach it because it's very difficult for me to go onto Twitter, Discord, and do everything at once. It's a very difficult thing for me to do. I cannot give it all, like, I'm too busy, you know. We have over 1,000 members and it's difficult. I started day trading 3 months ago and I think I've learned so much from Tigers. Appreciate it. I'll be in Discord, tag might be a bit. I highly recommend what you learn. Let's go. Trade in the zone. How much is a join? You have $100 1 month. $100 1 month, $260 for 3 months. Please remember, if it's too expensive for you guys and you can't afford it, don't join, right? If you want alerts, 100 alerts a day, don't join. If you're willing to put in the time and effort and you want to make money, right, and be consistent, then this Discord is for you. We have a great community. We don't have people who spam crap. It's very controlled in our Discord, all right? So if that is a community you want to be in, where you actually want to learn how to trade properly, you are more than welcome to join. Like I said, there's only going to be a few amount of spots. It's going to close on Monday. All right. Is this good for swing trade? I only have $1,000. You can do swing trades. I give swing trades every Monday. The swing trades are right here. Depending on the market conditions, but majority of the time I do give swing trades every Monday. I do that. Sorry, every Sunday, so you can get it on Monday. So I've only given one this week, which is NNE. But yeah, just depending on market conditions, I do. So yeah. Give you the reasonings, all that kind of stuff. There's loads of them here as well. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on mute for like 1 minute. Any questions you guys have, please ask anything you have about the Discord. All right. I know some people don't care about Discord. That's perfectly fine. I don't care. I'm doing this for people who are interested because it allows me to tell you what is in it rather than putting it and spamming on Twitter all the time. So if this helped you and it made things a little clearer, right. I also just want you guys to understand something. Every single trade that I put on Twitter, all these charts I put on Twitter, we are not trading them in Discord. I post hundreds of charts on Twitter. I don't enter any of them. Okay. If I enter anything, they are not posted on Twitter unless we've hit our first target or we got stopped out or whatever. Twitter, I shared possible setups and what you can look for possible entries. And I tell you that on Twitter. But the Discord, I'm giving you the education that you need. I tell you exactly where to enter, what to enter, how much trade size, where your target is, what strategy you must use for this setup, and so forth. All right. So yeah, that is a major difference. All right. So there's a huge difference with Twitter and Discord. Keep doing trade break. Yeah, I am. I'm going to keep doing that. Is this good for? Yeah. So the dollar amount, it doesn't really matter. You will learn the skill. That's it. If you want to learn the skill, that is it. Let's go. Do you also use crypto considering crypto? No, I don't trade crypto. We have a crypto channel for members. I chart here and there, but we're not really, no, I don't trade crypto at all. We trade purely on small caps, what I share on my Twitter. That's what we focus on. Maybe in the future, we'll do some crypto or Forex or something. We'll see. But at the moment, we're just purely small caps. We have an options floor as well. We have a lot of good option traders. But yeah, our main focus and teaching and strategy is based on small caps and common shares. Top, thanks. No worries. All right. So any other questions you guys have? I will be here for a couple more minutes and then I'm going to just put myself on mute quickly and then I'll be with you 1 minute. Any questions you have, feel free to ask. This is the only link to join, okay? You don't have to join. If you want to join, you are more than welcome to. It would be great to see you guys in there. And yeah, I will see you guys in the Discord. Live trading. So on Fridays, it's a very short day. Hassi does not trade on Fridays. I trade on Fridays. I only trade for an hour into open. So I will be here till around 6 p.m., which is 5 p.m. now in Dubai. Only because I have other commitments. It's a weekend here in Dubai. If it was the morning time, then I probably would be on later. But yeah, it's weekend time here in Dubai. So I have other things I need to do. If you guys have any other questions, you can also just DM me on Twitter. I will probably get back to you later on in the week as well, or on the weekend. All right, so I hope you guys that helped you and clarified a few things. If not, no problem at all. You can stay on Twitter and I have no issue with that because I appreciate everyone who supports me, regardless if you're paying or not. But yeah, thank you again, guys. I really appreciated all the support. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I will share a couple of charts here and there. Main focus today is just going to be live trading for Discord members for like an hour, and then I will call it a day. All right. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you all on Monday. Peace.